Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to what I believe is my Boxycharm box for the month of April. It arrived in obviously the old school Ipsy box, but now that Boxycharm and Ipsy have officially merged, I am still quite confused on what the actual subscriptions are, but from what I could try and research, I believe that it's now Boxycharm by Ipsy box. So in place of my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus and my Boxycharm regular box, and in place of my Boxycharm premium box, now all three of those have just combined into Boxycharm by Ipsy, which also includes a beauty boost, which is that to replace the premium? Does everyone that gets Boxycharm also get the premium boost? I'm confused, and so if you have answers, please let us all know in the comments down below. But I'm excited to see what's in my first ever Boxycharm by Ipsy box. So let's get into it. Okay, so we've got like a newspaper, kind of like the Ipsy Glam Bag X style of product information. Same great subscription you know and love, now with more perks than ever. Ipsy and Boxycharm. Boxycharm by Ipsy, yeah. And, I mean, this doesn't have product information, just some pictures, dates of choices, and then about some makeup artists back here. Okay, so looks like no actual product information. Also, what is this? Is this confetti? What is this, like, white paper all in here? Like, look at my box, just completely falling apart. I feel like this did not present very well. But, okay, let's see the products in here. First, of course, gotta have a Ciate London product. I always get Ciate London in Ipsy and Boxycharm. But this here is the Smiley Lip Mask. 2-in-1 everyday balm and mask, which I am excited about because I use a lip mask morning and night. And actually, I recently finished my lip mask, so I've just been using a lip balm, and I want to get back to using a lip mask. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. I love the smiley face design on this. This is adorable. Actually, it doesn't smell like anything. But so, here on my YouTube channel, I used to review every product that I got in Ipsy and Boxycharm. And then I recently stopped that daily series and I was doing like a full face of Ipsy and Boxycharm, but I realized I definitely miss the dedicated review videos, so I want to bring those back, at least for some products. So as I'm unboxing my beauty subscriptions, I would love to hear in the comments down below if there's any products that you want me to do full dedicated review videos on. Also, I like to give a disclaimer that I feel like it's obvious at this point because I have no idea what's going on with it, but I don't get Ipsy and Boxycharm in PR. I paid for all of this myself, and I'm always very honest with how I feel about these subscriptions. I've been getting them for a long time, and I unbox all of them here on my YouTube channel. So if you like seeing the subscription box unboxings, I would love for you to subscribe. Okay, on to the next product. Ooh, this is a good brand. Ole Henriksen Truth Brightens and Color Corrects Banana Bright Vitamin C Stick. Enhanced vitamin C, caffeine, and brightening pigments. Okay, color correcting eye stick. It took until I got all the way to the bottom to see that this is an eye product, which I actually struggle a lot with under eye circles, so I love the sound of this. A brightening banana eye balm? That sounds awesome. I mean, it even looks like a concealer here. Ooh, yeah, it is like a balm. I might need to do like a dedicated review on this too to see if it really does brighten the under eye circles, because it seems to have a little bit of like a color to it. Once again, not getting a scent to this, but that is fine. I am excited about this because it's different, it's unique, it's going to be fun to try out, and it really goes after one of my main skin concerns. So, yay! I'm off to a great start with the products I've been pulling out. Next, ooh, this is cute packaging. Plum Candy Melts Vegan Lip Balm. Melon Bubble Yum. Ooh, that sounds really nice. Yeah, I am not familiar with this brand, Plum, but I love getting to try out new makeup brands. Okay, you know what I'm realizing now? I think I'm confused because I was either supposed to get 5 or 6 products. 6 if I got the Beauty Boost, but here, a little looking ahead, I have 7 products in here. So maybe I have some points products that I redeemed. Let's continue on and find out. Okay, next I've got, I think this is called Vintage by Jessica Liebskind. Cashmere Lip Pencil in Mocha, which looks very pretty. I love a nice kind of neutral lip liner. Of course, I have no memory of what I actually selected for my box or what I redeemed points for, so hopefully the app can tell me, but I want to continue on so that I'm not spoiling in the app what I actually am getting. But okay, next I've got Lower East Side Full Brow Gel in the shade Light Brown. Oh, maybe Lower East Side is the brand here. I love trying out a brow gel. So far, I'm happy with all the products I'm getting because it's mostly makeup products and products that I use very often, and another brand that I'm not familiar with, so that's exciting. Next, I've got, I don't think I know this brand either. I think it's called Neen, and this is Pretty Shiny Cream Highlighter. Ooh, I love the sound of that. In the shade Meta, I think. I wonder what that shade's gonna look like. Can't really tell from this packaging here, but I'll do a video on this. I'm very intrigued. I love trying out highlighters. Wow, so many brands that I've never heard of before in this box, which is definitely exciting. And the last product in here, ooh, a good one to end on. This is from Natasha Denona. It's the Alloy palette. Ooh, let's see what this looks like. A little broken on this shade here, so it's a little crumbly, messy, but looks nice. I like brown neutral shades. I'm just a little worried that this is going to look very orange and warm toned on me, just because I have had that happen with other Natasha Denona eyeshadow palettes like this before. So I'm excited to try it out because I'm always excited to try out Natasha Denona, but the fact that these colors have me feeling a little iffy and it's unfortunately broken and messy, this is not as exciting as I was hoping it would be when I pulled out this box here. But still, looking at these products, I love the mix of mostly makeup. It's definitely nicely curated to me. But let me check out the app and figure out what is part of the box, what is potentially points. So, okay, I got the Neen Pretty Shiny Cream Highlighter as part of my box. I also got the Ciate London Smiley Lip Mask. Then the Less Beauty, which Less is Lower East Side, Tinted Brow Gel in Light Brown. I'm excited to try that. The Ole Henriksen Banana Bright and Vitamin CC Stick in Banana. I know I'm excited to try this one. The last product on the app here is this Natasha Denona Alloy Eyeshadow Palette. So that leads me to think that this Plum Candy Melts Vegan Lip Balm and this Vintage by Jessica Liebskind Cashmere Lip Pencil are products that I redeemed my points to get. So I wonder how the points are going to work now with Ipsy and Boxycharm combined. I never did anything with my Boxycharm charms, so I wonder if those transferred over as points or if I just lost them. But aside from all of my confusion on what's happening with my subscriptions, I'm happy with the makeup I have in front of me right now. So if you've tried any of these products, let me know in the comments down below what you think of them. I'm also glad to see that I have not tried any of these products before, because my last Boxycharm box was so bad. I got so many repeat products, but I would say that the first Boxycharm by Ipsy box that I got is good. I think there's definitely room for improvement and some more excitement, but I am not mad about my first box. So thank you so much for watching this video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon in my next video.